Hello and welcome to EduGyan. Today we will discuss chapter 1 class 8 NCERT maths, that is rational number. We have discussed exercise 1.1 in the previous class, and question number 1 to 4 we have already solved. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss the question number 5 of exercise 1.1. Okay, so let's see what is the question here. So here is the question: name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Okay, so these are the questions in which we need to identify the multiplication different properties which has been used there. Okay, we need to identify only, we don't need to do any calculation here. Okay, so let's see the first question. Here is question is given as minus 4 upon 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 upon 5. Okay, so which identity it is using? Okay, it is using multiplicative identity. Okay, now what is multiplicative identity? As you can see, 1 into m is equal to m into 1. Okay, here m is any rational number, so the question is in the form of this property. Okay, where 1 into minus 4 upon 5 equal to 1 into minus 4 upon 5, where minus 4 upon 5 is the rational number and minus 4 upon 5 is the rational number, so it is multiplicative identity. Okay, let's see next question. In this question you can see here it is a commutative property. How? We have already learned in the previous class that m into n is equals to n into m. The both the term need to be equal. Okay, in this case we only swap the sequence of numbers. Okay, here m is written first, here m is written in last. Okay, so we have swapped the position of the numbers, but the numbers are same still. Okay, m is here and is here, and in the next side m and is here. Okay, so let's see the question. Here is minus 13 upon 17 into minus 2 upon 7, two rational numbers, is equal to minus 2 upon 7 into minus 13 upon 17. So it is a commutative property. Okay, where m and n are rational numbers. Okay, next, we already know what is multiplicative inverse. Okay, what is multiplicative inverse? Suppose I am asking the multiplicative inverse of 2, so you need to give answer only 1 upon 2, because when we multiply the both the numbers we will get answer as 1. Okay, if I ask you what is the multiplicative inverse of 5, it will be 1 upon 5. Okay, 5 into 5 equal to 1. So here you can see here that minus 19 upon 29 multiplied by 29 upon minus 19. 29 upon minus 19 is the reciprocal of minus 19 upon 29. When we multiply here, we can easily see that minus 19 will cut minus 19 and 29 will cut 29, and answer will be 1. So the property used here is multiplicative inverse property. Okay, multiplication of any rational number to its inverse gives identity of multiplication, that is 1. Okay, that's all for today. Subscribe this channel and like this video and share as much as possible. Okay, let's help other also which are at home now. Okay, uh, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe the EduGyan channel for further updates. Thank you for watching.